What's going on, guys? Snake, and in this video we're going to be talking about exactly how you can make 10k designs, like not 10,000 designs in number, but these designs can be able to generate you well over $10,000. The reason for that is we're going to be able to research a lot of different platforms like Teespring, and actually just Teespring mainly. But apart from that, I want to show you guys exactly how you can replicate those good designs and then actually just start selling them for a higher price, and how to actually work towards it, and why you should not use anything apart from Printful. There's a very good reason for that. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're just growing so fast. I think we crossed 1.5k yesterday. It's amazing. Without any further ado, let's get right into the value. So regardless of anything, Valentine's Day is pretty much the day we're gonna be happy, because we're just gonna be making a lot of money. So it separates us from the people who are happy or sad on Valentine's Day. Anyway, exactly what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna go over all the research you guys need to find good products. We're gonna make simple, amazing designs which actually sell. They have an emotion to it, because sometimes people have crazy designs but there's no emotion related to them, and that's why they don't make any sales. They don't make any sales at all. So what's happening right now is that you are going over these designs, and you're actually going to be finding good designs, and you're going to also make sure they're simple. So not only are they good, they're also simple, and that's going to make them more easier to sell, especially because you have the emotion attached with them. And that's the secret to making $1,000 or $10,000 with print-on-demand designs. Pretty much, guys, simple, 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 and emotion. That's it. You want the simpleness is just for people. Simplicity, okay? Holy shit, not simpleness. What is wrong with me? Simplicity is for making sure that people actually are understanding the design, and the emotion is for actually making them get their credit cards. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before we make any kind of a design, but we were not using Photoshop, once again, this is going to be the pure research we're doing right now. So first up, you obviously want to have an idea of a design, because if you don't have an idea, I'm just going to make a dumb little bulb. Yeah. There we go. I don't know if that's a bulb or a tree which is shining. Anyway, so what happens once you have an idea, then you'll be actually able to understand that if the product is good selling, then you can go ahead and print the t-shirt and then sell it for thousands of dollars. And the reason why it's easy to sell this for thousands of dollars is because, guys, look at this. Don't get scared by this number, okay? Like, if I just pull up my calculator real quick, to get $10,000 in sales, okay, and let's say you price every single t-shirt, let's say normally you can go for $34 as much. That's only 294 sales, guys. Can you not get 294 sales on one design that you have? So seriously, it's not that hard. And apart from this, if you're even making the t-shirt at $20, at least more than half this is gonna be profit. So imagine that's like $5,000 profit by selling only 200 people. To converting 300 people is not even hard once you exactly know what to do. And especially on Valentine's Day, it's gonna be a lot easier because you're gonna be targeting the people who are passionate, right? Alright, so first we're gonna write couple, and on Teespring, and as you guys can see, we're gonna be getting up the top design to the front page. And obviously, you know, the front page designs are probably gonna be the best designs that are gonna come up. So we're gonna look at some of these designs and look at their prices and range, and let's see how it goes. Obviously, some graphic designs, you'll obviously have to hire a designer for them. You can do this on Fiverr or Upwork. They're really good websites, and you can actually just go on and just say, okay, I want to do a design for $5 to $20, and something like that would really give you a really good design, like maybe this or that. But 90% of the designs you can do them yourself. Like, look at this design over here. If you look at this one, you actually find that it's actually very, very, very easy to make this kind of design, and actually sells, believe it or not. So it's not like something like, you know, it's too hard or you always need a designer. It's just that you need to have that creativity so that you can do that. All right, so we're just gonna take a really random t-shirt right now. So what you're doing is you're taking advantage of whatever is happening. So right now, if Valentine's Day is about to happen, you're gonna look love. Okay, if some other event is happening, you're gonna look related to that event, right? So if it's some other, I don't know, maybe some kind of game or stuff. So here what you're doing is just getting ideas, okay? You're just pretty much getting ideas. Another way of getting ideas is you simply go on Google and you type, let's say, love. And you're gonna like love, and you got T. That's it. And you're gonna go on images, and boom, here you go, all your design ideas. I see a lot of people, they're not able to find ideas for design. I'm like, dude, it's so easy to do that. So one of the trendy designs right now, which is going, and the one I'm also going to be using, is this kind of a design, okay? So basically, it just says 2 letters on the top, 2 letters on the bottom, and this actually sells really, really, really well, even though you guys might not believe it at first, but this is actually a really good design we can go for. So now once you know that this kind of designs actually sell, you're gonna go on your Canva and you're gonna write custom dimensions and you're gonna make it 5,000 by 5,000, okay? We want it to be a full print. So right now I got my motivation from this kind of a design, right? I'm pretty sure there are gonna be more as well. Hold on. There you go. One design over here. And these designs sell really, really well, guys. Believe it or not. I mean, once there are designs like these, which are like really detailed, but there are also designs like these, who actually sell pretty well, even if they're simple. People don't care if it's not too simple. Like, look at this. Like, you would think that no one would buy this, right? But it's in the first row of Google, so it's probably a really good selling design. I removed the background. We're gonna use something called the background burner. So pretty much all you do is just go and load up your image on this website. It's gonna remove the background for you. And if it doesn't remove the background for you, you can just click on touch up and then highlight the background with red and make the foreground green. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Right now, it's just gonna burn up like this. Boom! It's actually pretty cool animation, to be honest. And you're gonna click on this. Touch up, and you're gonna click on this toggle checkerboard background so you actually know what's going on. And as you can see, they missed the center of the O, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on the O with the red, and boom, it's just gonna turn into transparent. Now watch, just turn, yeah, there we go. And we're gonna finish, and now you can download the image and we can continue. Another way is just to go on Photoshop and use the magic wand tool. But anyway, as soon as we're done with that, now we have to open our store. So we're already on our store already, and as you guys can see over here, yeah, okay. So I did order from Custom Cat to see the quality and along with Printful, but the problem with Custom Cat is the parcel never arrived. So I would definitely not recommend Custom Cat, because apart from the bad reviews, there's a lot of stuff which is not good with Custom Cat as well. Even though they are pretty cheap, but once again, they don't print very well, okay? So you definitely want to go with Printful. And they're free as well. Printful is free, Custom Cat is paid. So I would definitely go with Printful and just go on, click on Printful. You're gonna click Get, and it's gonna be the step-by-step everything you guys need to know in this. And you're gonna install the app. Alright, so as soon as we're done with that, we're gonna click Add a Product, and we're gonna use for shirts, and we're gonna use the T-shirt, and we're gonna use this number first, $12. And now drop your design over there. So we're gonna obviously get our transparent design and drop it over here, and it's just gonna load in a sec. Yep, there it is. And look at the print quality. Look at this, 417. And now you guys can see how amazing this looks just on the t-shirt, and you can make this even bigger. And no matter how big you make it, the quality should be over 300 dpi. And the reason we can make it so big is because we literally formatted it in 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. And apart from that, we also made sure that we don't break any pixels and have only one space over there. So as you guys can see, boom, we have a really good design right here. This has been trending, and I'm sure a lot of people have sold this design. I'm pretty sure this was a design that sold more than $10,000. And you guys can't even believe it, how simple of a design can sell so much money, right? And yeah, guys, you don't have to go super duper in depth into just making hardcore designs. I mean, you could do that for sure. You could hire a designer, or you can just make yours on Canva. There's so many texts over here. Look at the different fonts. There are multiple different fonts on Canva which can work very well with this. And as you can see, this one, we could make it in this font. And there are a lot of ways to do this, but I would say the best way is keep it simple. Another way of making really good text designs is obviously when I go on Printful once again, choose the shirt. And instead of making a design this time, you're going to click on text, and you're going to actually type the exact text. So we're going to say, and there you guys go. For those of you who are not able to make good designs in Canva, or maybe not able to get it transparent, here you guys go. You can literally make this on just Printful itself. You can have different colors for this. Like, let's say you want to go with red and black. There you guys go. Amazing, amazing t-shirt for Valentine's Day already. And guys, simple sells, okay? The more complicated you make it, the less people want to buy it. It should just signify something, okay? It should just signify something. You can even write a wise quote or some kind of wise funny joke or something that's gonna make people laugh. It's gonna be so good. If you look for meme t-shirts, like if you just write meme over here, here you guys go. Look at how many text designs are there. Look at this. Every single thing is text. Look at this, dank memes. They have the Supreme font, the Supreme style in this. Look at this, dank memes. Exactly what I'm saying. It's simple. It's simple, and what matters more than the brand is more than the design is the brand, the quality, the print quality. Exactly what you're getting with Printful. So exactly as soon as you're done with this, you can add this, or maybe you can upload your own file. And we're going to continue to proceed to mockups. And you can see different mockups we have. You can use men's mockups or wrinkled. I normally use wrinkled, it's a lot better. We're gonna continue, and this is one of the best descriptions you can find on Printful, because AliExpress descriptions are just complete whack. But these descriptions are amazing. So Printful descriptions are awesome. You want to keep them. You can even add a little bit into this. I said this before. We're gonna continue with the metrics, and Imperial doesn't really matter. We're gonna continue to pricing. And last time we did a hoodie, this time we're doing a t-shirt. Remember, shipping is gonna cost you. Nobody talks about the shipping in Printful. I literally see nobody talk about shipping. But shipping costs you about $3.95 if you're doing it in the US, and anywhere from 6 to about 8 or sometimes even 10 if you're doing international shipping, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to set that up in a second, but mainly you want to make the retail price almost double that, okay? So we're going to make it $24.99 if you're really starting out. Otherwise, I would normally keep it around, I would say 29 or 34. That's the best price to keep it at, okay? And once you're done with that, you can see how much profit you're making. Obviously, the shipping is going to be cut out from this. We're going to submit it to the store. And now, guys, the part where we're going to set up the shipping. I see a lot of you struggling with this, so don't worry. I've got you guys. And we're going to go on shipping. Alright, so now we're going to set up the shipping settings real quick. In the US, you want to go for the shipping settings. Is going to be standard shipping. Make it anywhere from, let's see, you want to do price-based shipping, okay? For this, you want to do price-rate shipping. So remove all the weight-based shipping and make the price-rate shipping. Minimum order price is going to be $24. Maximum order is also going to be $24. And it's going to be insured, shipping, and handling. And you're going to charge them about, let's say, $5.95. It's perfect for shipping, okay? You can even add multiple different, but this is going to get you the maximum ROI. So let's pull out my calculator once again. So what we're doing over here is that we're pretty much selling the t-shirt for $12.95 plus $3.95 shipping. And that's the price, so basically $17 for buying the shirt. No one is ever going to do this and show you guys exactly how to do it. And you're selling the t-shirt for $24 plus $5.95, so about $30. So 30 minus about, let's see, 17 was it? Yep. We're making $13 profit per t-shirt, okay? I'm sure no one has so far has shown you the exact calculation with the shipping for Printful, but this is exactly how it is done, guys. You can price your t-shirts higher once you're gonna be getting more and more people, and especially on Valentine's Day, don't even be hesitant to price them over $30. People are just gonna buy like crazy. So if you can just double charge them with this, you can easily make $26 a t-shirt, and if you even sell 10 of these, you made $60 already. So guys, imagine 10 is like the lowest estimate I can even think of. So come on, guys, not even hard doing this anymore, okay? We're gonna obviously save the shipping settings. Alright, the worldwide shipping is where it gets a little bit tricky. So what you want to do in the worldwide shipping is obviously you want to make, though, let's see, $24. Minimum order price $24. You can even go with no limit because this is worldwide shipping. And we're gonna price this at $8.95. Okay, that's for a very good reason, because shipping charges cost a lot more apart if you're not in the United States. That's why you always want to make sure that you have a separate zone just for the United States. And exactly why you want to charge $8.95 for shipping. Nobody talks about this once again. I don't know why. Maybe they don't want you to know how much you get charged in shipping for the worldwide. But as you guys know, I'm transparent, so here you guys go. It's going to be $8.95 every single time someone out of the world is buying. Not out of the world, over the world is buying. So in this case, the profit margins are going to be a little bit slim. But let's see, we're just going to open up our calculator once again. And right now, let's see. So let's see, it costs us $12.25, or $12 for the initial shirt. And let's say shipping costs us $6 this time. That's $18 for a price for manufacturer, or maybe it might even cost us a bit more. It might even cost us $20. Even in that case, we're gonna be making $25 plus we're gonna be charging how much we're shipping, $9. So I'm just taking round numbers, $34. That's about, you're still making $14 profit, guys. So remember, the shipping trick is very important. Only if you do this properly are you able to actually make a lot of profit from this. You can make the shipping lower or even free shipping if you want to acquire customers, but then you're gonna be getting a lot less profit. But exactly what you want to do this, okay? And here you guys go. You have the entire strategy summed up. You went over finding good designs on Google, from Google to Teespring. Then we made the design on Canva. Then we removed the background at burnerbonzana.com. And then in the end, we ended up, this is also a website, by the way, edited photo for free. This is also a really good thing. And we went on up and just wrote a little bullshit over here. But as you guys know, Printful, and that's it. Shipping settings. Everything has been summed up for you guys. It's pretty easy, really. And go ahead, make some really good and simple designs, and don't make them too complicated, guys. People will buy from you even if it's just text, as long as it has a joke or it's something related to emotion, okay? Add emotion to your designs. Like, I can make an amazing design from a designer, but it's not gonna sell at all if it has no emotion in it, okay? So just remember this whenever you're making your designs. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found some value, make sure you leave a like and go ahead and make a lot of money on Valentine's Day, guys, because I've got a lot of hope for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later, and